So how do you run power to the TV? So the best is to get an outlet right on your pillar, or if not, I use an outdoor rated extension cord. Now the other option is to get a power station that you can get. This power station comes with a light. If you want to bring it outdoors as well, 4-level different light that you can have. But if you want to power up your TV, you can just plug this in to the power of your TV. So the TV power supply here, and show you so whether you can see it. TV should power on once I plug it into the power station. Okay, it looks. There you go. So it is coming off this paper thin antenna that I'm going to hook up to the TV. Okay. Voila, we're done. Let's look at what channels do we get right here. There you go.
If you ever need help, night or day, call the super spirit rescuers of Turtle